To get started with the Bill4Time Xero integration, first ensure you have a Bill4Time and Xero account. The integration allows you to seamlessly sync your time and expense data from Bill4Time to Xero, streamlining your invoicing and accounting processes. Begin by logging into your Bill4Time account and navigating to the integration section. Here, you will find the option to connect with Xero. Click on the Connect to Xero button and you will be redirected to the Xero website to authorize the connection. Once you have authorized the connection, you will be asked to map your Bill4Time clients to your Xero contacts. This is a crucial step as it ensures that the correct client information is synced between the two systems. After mapping your clients, you can configure the invoicing settings. You can choose to sync your Bill4Time invoices to Xero as drafts or approved invoices. You also have the option to sync your payment data, allowing you to keep track of client payments in both systems. To sync your data, navigate to the Sync section in Bill4Time. Here, you can choose to sync your time and expense data, invoices, and payments. You can also set up automatic syncing, which allows you to schedule the sync to run at regular intervals. It is essential to regularly review your sync data to ensure accuracy and consistency. You can do this by checking your Xero account for any discrepancies or errors. Best practices for using the Bill4Time Xero integration include regularly reviewing your sync data, ensuring that your client information is up to date, and taking advantage of the automated syncing feature to save time and reduce errors. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use the Bill4Time Xero integration to streamline your invoicing and accounting processes, saving you time and increasing efficiency.